Hi friends! This crayon is yellow. Let's see what's inside. It's a yellow potato chip. These lines are called ridges. This chip is thin and crunchy. Let's see what else is in our yellow crayon. I see something round. It's a yellow lemon. Lemons grow on trees and they taste sour. Let's see what's next. It's a yellow banana. Bananas are soft and sweet. Monkeys love bananas. Let's see what's next. Oh, look! It's a yellow starfish. Starfish has 5 arms and live in the ocean. Let's see what comes out next. It's a yellow school bus. School buses take children to school. This bus has many windows. Let's see what's next. Look, it's a yellow leaf. Leaves grow on trees. They can change color in the autumn. Any more? No, our yellow crayon is empty. We found so many yellow surprises. Which yellow did you like?